Brent with PDS. I'm demoing some of our RADON Ready New Construction fittings for the RADON mat, soil gas collector mat. This is the T-riser we've been selling for a few years. This takes RADON mat from both sides and exhausts up through the home to form the pressure field. We started selling this right around COVID times. We have had 3% price increase in the last 10 years on our RADON Ready New Construction products. That's why sometimes you'll see us change fittings, because they serve the same purpose, but it saves you guys money. So this riser wasn't actually made for Schedule 40. It has these clips here. It was made for a corrugated pipe, but it works for Schedule 40. The only problem is it wobbles a little bit. So we created 2 rings. This ring is a 3-inch adapter, goes right over the top, and then your 3-inch Schedule 40 goes inside. With a little bit of glue, you stub it up about 3 or 4 feet, label it RADON, pour the concrete. Then you come back before framing, snake the entire thing up through the roof. Leave a spot and power for the fan. RADON fans are about as big as a basketball. If you don't put that RADON fan up there, or you put it too close to a soffit or an eave, you're gonna have to do a ton of elbows, increase your noise, decrease your airflow, and it's a whole lot of trouble. So leave a spot on the roof or in the attic, single family or multifamily, doesn't matter, with power within 6 feet of this pipe, so you can add the RADON fan. Because the old terminology is passive RADON systems. This is all RADON ready. That's what the industry is going toward. Either you have RADON or you don't. You're typically going to need a fan. There's very few weather phenomena or times of year where the system actually works passively. Read my blog post for more. So this is the T-riser. This is the 3-inch adapter. We also have it in 4-inch. Again, here's a little bit of our gas mat coming through. Gas mat on both sides, 4-inch. You can also cut this riser for corner pieces, so you could have gas mat coming from here to here. Code and best practices always say redundancy, so you want gas mat coming in from at least 2 sides, either in a straight shot or in a corner position. 4-inch adapter, it's about $5. Shane at Alpha86, he's our guy. He's been creating a new riser. So with this, you would core out, I believe it's a 4.5-inch hole through the mat itself. This comes in 2 pieces. The Schedule 40 4-inch goes around here, 3-inch could go in here, so it works for either stub up. And then you've got holes here so that you can sink nails in to secure it while the concrete is poured. So here's what that looks like before it's installed on the gas mat. So it comes in 2 pieces here. The bottom piece, then you've got the top piece with a little screw. Twist it so those holes line up, sink some nails, and you got yourself a fancy new T-riser that we haven't named yet. So keep an eye on the website for that, but just wanted to give you a little bit more of a visual on what these products look like and why they're important. And the nice part about this, you get airflow from 360 degrees. So you can really put that wherever the heck you want, just right in line of a mat. So always come up with new products. If you ever have an idea, give us a call. And thanks, Shane, Alpha86.